This is especially for them to have a comfortable sitting area. They love high places. Really good jumpers too. Okay, although it's a very tall, narrow beam, they are able to stabilize themselves pretty well. And even in the wild, panthers are known to drag their prey towards a higher level before consuming it. This is also a form to avoid competition from other animals which tries to steal their food, especially those lions and hyenas. Panthers are nocturnal animals, very active during the night compared to the day. They spend their entire day usually asleep. And can be very territorial. That means they mark their territory, especially those, of course, male panthers. They mark their territory, and they do that by urinating on vegetation as well as making scratch marks on tree barks. So if you see scratch marks around on our tree barks over there, this is made none other than by Maran and Shadow themselves. Oh, chicken.
Chicken, is it? Yeah.
Chicken.